No one can predict the future, but at Volvo Construction Equipment, we can make some educated guesses based on our past experience. We know that our customers will always need machines that can perform flawlessly, whatever the environment. Machines built on a foundation of innovation, quality, and excellence. A foundation that goes back over 175 years. A business built by people with a passion for engineering excellence. Two such people, Gustav Larsson and Assa Gabrielsson, met in 1924 while dining at the Sturehof restaurant in Stockholm. This encounter led to the establishment of a Swedish car manufacturing company, Volvo, which was to become the global group we know today. But the story of Volvo Construction Equipment began even earlier, in 1832 in Eskilstuna, Sweden. A brilliant young engineer, Johan Theophron Munktel, founded the Eskilstuna Mechanical Factory. He was a great innovator, inventing the first Swedish printing press, designing steam engines, building agricultural machinery, and also specializing in tool machinery. During the 40s, Volvo began cooperating with Bolander Munktel in the production of tractors and other machines. The relationship grew, and in 1950, Volvo acquired BM and began to pioneer new concepts. The new name, BM Volvo, appeared on the first tractor with a diesel engine. In 1954, the same year that color televisions were introduced, the company made the very first wheel loaders. BM Volvo was developing the idea of an all-wheel driven wagon, and in 1966 produced another landmark product, the world's first series-produced articulated hauler known as Gravel Charlie. This was just 3 years before man first walked on the moon. The company became Volvo BM in 1973, and over the next few years began to concentrate exclusively on construction equipment. Volvo BM now began to expand the business through a program of mergers and acquisitions, and joined forces with Clark Michigan and Euclid to become the VME Group. This was 1985, just as the first cell phones came into widespread use. 1991 saw the acquisition of Åkerman, the Swedish excavator manufacturer, and Germany's Zettelmeier, makers of compact wheel loaders. 4 years later, the Volvo Group bought Clark's half of VME. From now on, the company would be known as Volvo Construction Equipment, a fully owned Volvo company. That year also saw the purchase of the French company Peljob, Europe's first manufacturer of compact excavators. In 1997, Volvo bought one of the world's leading motor grader makers, Champion of Canada. All these new product acquisitions became fully integrated into the Volvo range. A year later, in a highly strategic purchase, the company bought the construction division of Samsung Heavy Industries, South Korean builders of excavators for the global market. This was the first major foreign investment in South Korea. The new century brought important additions